अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you Pinecone cards ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, today we are going to use a Pinecone craft ideas, Pinecone flower decorative, turn Pinecone into natural flowers, paint Pinecone in bright color like pink, yellow and white, add green paper leaves, arrange them in a small basket or vase, perfect for table decoration. Pinecone wall hanging, make a resort wall hanging steps. Tie Pinecones with dewdrop, add wooden beads or small bells. Hang them on a streak or branches, give a natural farm outlook. Pinecones Christmas tree, a simple holiday craft. Paint Pinecone green, add small pot or glitter as ornament. Place a star on top. Cute mini Christmas decoration. And viewers, friends, and viewers, Pinecone animal crafts. Kids craft fun and easy for kitchen. All add paper eyes and wings. Hanging felt face, bird. Thread for school projects. Pinecone candle holder. Natural home decoration ideas. Glue Pinecone around a glass candle jar. Warp dewdrop around it. Add lace or ribbon. Cozy decoration. And viewers, and friends, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for